Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I am pretty excited and this week guys, look at this beautiful transformation. Look at how I am transforming my life completely. Okay, so let's get into the hair details. So the hair is from YG hair. Guys, I love this bang. I love this bang. So this is how it normally comes. I've worked with YGwigs because they have amazing hair and I have worked with them for a long time. So I basically trust their hair. So anyway guys, this is the magazine that I actually received in the package. Yeah, it shows you how to put on your hair, different models, how different wigs look on different complexion. So yeah, so basically it shows you your complexion. In case you need a certain wig, you can basically pick through. And guess what, I was also in here. Excited, marvelous, fantastic. Hi, so let's get into the hair video. So it comes with this headband, it comes with these clips, amazing bougie expensive earrings, okay, head cap right here in slow motion, and this is the hair. So let's get into the hair. The hair is a Kinky curly wig. It's in 427 and it has no lace. So you don't need you don't need glue, you don't need nothing to secure it. All you have to do is put it on top of your head and move out, go to work, go wherever you're going, stay indoors with it. When it's heavy, you put it off. You see, it has no lace. So definitely it's a very beautiful, and the color is amazing. It's in number 427, which is so good. So it's a mixture of these browns and then, you know, with the golds, or what we call the blondes. So they mixed it up for my babies who love it mixed. Okay, so I'm getting my wig cap, put it on top of my hair because girl, my hair is looking older, not cute. So yeah, just putting everything on top of my hair, this wig cap, to kind of, you know, yeah, to kind of like act as a protective sign, should I say like that? Yeah, just to take away. So anyway, let's put on the earrings. So we are going to put on the earrings, and yeah, like if they sent you the earring, guys, for those everyone who has ordered the wigs that I recommend you, tell me if you received earrings. If you got the wig, make sure you comment down below. So we have these clips right here. This, I don't know how we call it, but they basically clip into each other like that. If you want to wear a glueless wig, like a wig, and you want to secure it, you basically just get it and tap it together. Pam. So this is how the hair is looking like. It has a bang, it has a bang. So my babies with big foreheads, my babies who have foreheads where you can play football from, no problem, mademoiselle. Let's get this wig up behind. Yeah, it was kind of like taking over, which was kind of showing, so I put it behind and then put back my wig. Yeah, so as me, a lady who is the head of all the women with big forehead, I said to you, this is my love. It looks so good, it looks so gorgeous, and the color is matching well with my skin. I love how everything is coming out with my skin. So I'm just going to kind of like play around with it so that I make sure that I wear perfect hair, like perfect hair. You just make your hands pass through this hair so that it can't be like so coily, and if you want to cut it off a little bit, because if it's too long it will kind of disturb your eyes. So make sure you cut a little bit of the wig to kind of make it like so secure, like okay, like to not secure but to kind of make it look worthy, because sometimes it can be longer and the other time it can be, you know, shorter. So this one I received, it was longer. Okay, so that's why you're seeing me cut off like every single thing, every single bit. I'm cutting it off so that it can have a uniform, you know, the exact one, a uniform and all that. So yeah, that is what I'm trying to do, to cut off the excess hair, and you're going to see how it's going to roll on my body. This is how it's rolling, but just to remind you, is my wig is so dry and I've not styled it at all. So I'm going to get this headband. Okay, this one, I'm going to get this one and the headband, and then put it around. See that cuteness, so let's see what we do in case we want to kind of like hydrate the wig to kind of see how it's going to look. Yeah, I want to feel the texture. I normally feel the texture of, like, you know, the natural color, the one that looks like black, but this time around I want to feel the texture of the wig with highlights, the blondes, the browns and all that. So I'm putting Nairobi mousse on top of my hair to kind of like moisturize it. I first put in water. I put in water because I needed extra hydration. I needed to see how the hair is going to behave. I needed to see how everything is going to turn around. So yeah, just putting a bit of this. Yeah, everything more moist for more extra hydration, especially on the tips of the wig. It can get like brittle, it can get like sort of like dry. So adding more water for hydration. This is just basically water, it doesn't contain anything, so it's just water to kind of like, you know, give me hydration. And then I go on top with the mousse. I put the mousse on top of the wig. My goodness, the English is becoming a problem in this house. Hello English, be nice to me, okay? Be nice. So this is all the shading that I got. It's kind of like embarrassing, but I did not get any shading. Like literally that is all I received. And this is how the texture of the hair looks like when it is a bit with, like, should I say damp? Yeah, like when you've kind of like dumped, yeah, like dump, yeah, I should say like that. And this is how your girl is looking. This is how everything is moving. Roll it around. And the hair is from YG Hair. I'm going to leave everything down in the comment section or in the description box for you to check out. YGwigs on Instagram, YGwigs on Facebook, and also on YouTube. Go select different hair from different styles. Like you can select different hair for you. In case you're not interested in this, they have more and more hair. I loved using this hair because it made me feel comfortable. Like if I'm going out, all I have to do is put it on and then go. So I'm just going to tie this thing around my hair, and I see if it kind of like can transform me a little bit, not a lot. I'm not asking for a lot, just to kind of like transform me, and I see how I look. Yeah, cute, right? Cute. It's also another way to secure your wig. Cute. Cute. It's also another way to secure your wig. Cute. Don't forget that.